In this video, learn how to create custom views in the EventPilot conference app. Custom views are an excellent way to create intermediary landing pages like HRS did in their app. These pages guide users efficiently through complex information hierarchies and help reduce the cognitive load. That way, you can keep your home screen simple while still providing access to all the different navigation pathways. In the Custom Views tab in the App Builder, some custom view pages are already created for you, like General Info and Community Chat. These pages are templates that you can edit to list your own info. Suppose we want to have a landing page before accessing the exhibitor list. Click Add View to add a new custom view. Use the Custom View Editor to add your custom view. You can also use interactive lists like is used for the General Info, or add a chat discussion view for a specific chat topic. We'll use the Custom View Editor. Give your custom view a title. Let's title ours Expo Landing. Click Done to save. In the editor view, there are two sides. On the left are the objects you can add, such as layouts, text, and buttons, and on the right is your workspace. Let's add a title by dragging the title object into the workspace. Click the Edit or Pencil icon to edit the title. Enter the title, in this case Expo. Choose a font size like 1.6 EM for your title. Let's center align the title. The color defaults to the event color of your project. Let's change ours to purple. Click Done, and our title is now saved. If you want to add text, drag the paragraph tool into your workspace. Click Edit, and enter or paste your text. Using the provided formatting tools, we could, for example, left align the text. Click Done. Let's add the buttons that guide the user to the different areas in the app. To display the buttons horizontally aligned to each other, let's drag in a horizontal layout object. Now let's drag in our first button right into the horizontal layout. Click Edit. This button should go to the full exhibitor list. In the Action Builder, select List of Items, Exhibitors, List with Map if you have a floor plan, and All. Let's label this All Exhibitors. We'll leave the title color as is, but maybe make the font size a little bigger. The default button color matches the event color, but we want to make it match the title color. The icon should be the exhibitor in their booth, and the icon should stay white on the purple background. Click Done, and you've created your first button. Use the duplicate icon to create your next button. Click Edit. EventPilot automatically generates custom pages for each filter listing all of the keywords. I want to link this button to the page with all of the keywords for industry. Let's set the title to Browse by Industry, and for the icon, we pick the buildings. Click Done. Continue duplicating and set up all the different buttons for your landing page as needed. If you need to, change the order of the buttons by dragging and dropping. The custom view saves automatically, so you can click the X on the top or just outside of the edit window to close it. Now let's edit our General Info, which is already in the custom view list. Click the Edit icon on the General Info custom view. This view is an interactive list view, so editing is different than in the custom view editor. It does have a title that you can edit. The searchable toggle allows the text in the custom view to be part of the global search in the app. And the General Info provides predefined sections to get you started. You can edit the title of any section, delete the section, or move a section with the handle icon. Each section has its own text editor to easily update the content. Repeat these steps in the other sections to fill in the General Info with your conference information. If you need to add a new section, click the plus button. Click Done to save your changes. Now let's create tabs that point to our custom views. Go to Design and Tab Layouts. There is already a default tab to go to the list of exhibitors. But we want our users to go to the Expo landing page and not to the default exhibitor lists. So we hide the default and create a new tab by clicking the plus sign. Let's label this tab Expo. Click Select Action, App Function, Custom View, and select the Expo landing page. Click Save. Select an icon. Drag the tab to the position where you'd like it to appear, and repeat this step to link the General Info custom view and other views that you have created. Click Publish to publish your changes in the app. Let's see how our custom views appear in the app. Tap More, and here are the Expo and General Info tabs. Tap Expo, and you can see our purple title and buttons. Tap the back button to exit the tab and return to the tab list. Tap on the General Info tab. In the Interactive List view, tap on a section to reveal the information inside. You're now ready to design custom views and create navigation or content pages specifically for your event.